The Rutan Quickie is a distinctive family of home-built aircraft that emerged from the experimental aviation movement of the 1970s. Its origins trace back to 1975, when pilots Tom Jewett and Gene Sheehan sought to create an extremely efficient, low-cost single-seat airplane powered by a very small engine. To achieve this goal, they approached Burt Rutan, already known for unconventional aerodynamic concepts, and asked him to design an aircraft around an 18-horsepower Onan industrial engine. Rutan responded with a radical solution, a tailless, Canard-configured aircraft with two lifting surfaces of nearly equal area arranged in a tandem, biplane-like layout. The pilot and fuel were placed close to the center of gravity, allowing a wide loading range with minimal trim changes. All lifting surfaces produced positive lift, improving efficiency. The main landing gear was mounted at the wingtips of the forward canard, reducing structural weight and complexity. The aircraft was named Quickie, reflecting both its speed and compact size. The original Quickie Model 54 first flew in 1977 and was introduced publicly at Experimental Aircraft Association AirVenture Oshkosh in 1978, where it won the Outstanding New Design Award. The aircraft used composite construction with fiberglass and foam cores, enabling smooth surfaces and accurate laminar flow airfoils. The Canard employed the GU-25-11-8 airfoil, developed by Terrence Nonweiler. While efficient, this airfoil proved sensitive to rain, bugs, and manufacturing tolerances, leading to reduced lift at low Reynolds numbers. Following strong market interest, Quickie Aircraft Corporation was founded in Mojave, California in 1978. Over time, demand grew for a two-seat version. With the involvement of Canadian designer Gary Laguerre, Quickie Aircraft Corporation introduced the Q2 and later the improved Q200, featuring a new Canard airfoil, higher gross weight, and engines up to the 100-horsepower Continental O200. These models offered higher cruise speeds and better overall performance than many comparable home-builts. Despite technical innovation, Quickie Aircraft Corporation faced serious challenges. Ground handling issues, design sensitivities, and a major product liability lawsuit caused severe financial strain. Although the court ruling was eventually overturned, the damage was irreversible. After the death of Tom Jewett in an unrelated aircraft accident, Quickie Aircraft Corporation declared bankruptcy in 1986. The Quickie story did not end there. A strong builder community continued to refine the design, introducing structural reinforcements, improved braking systems, modified control linkages, and safer airfoils. Organizations such as the Quickie Builders Association preserved documentation and shared upgrades. Today, Quickies remain active worldwide, often restored or modified with modern engines and avionics. More than 4 decades later, the Rutan Quickie stands as a bold example of experimental aviation, combining aerodynamic originality, composite innovation, and enduring community support.